Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'm going to show you a short video on how to reset the tyre pressure monitoring system on a SEAT Arona. Now, the first thing you need to do is push the picture of the car button on the right hand side with the ignition on. When you go into that menu, you just need to select the settings, which is actually on the screen at the bottom. Tap on that one, and then if you look on here, it's the second one down that says tyres. Select that one, and then the top one there says tyre pressure loss indicator. Tap on that one. It says do all 4 tyre pressures match the required values once you've checked the tyres or you've had them replaced. If you select confirm, you then get their notification to say that your tyre pressures have now been stored. The next time you turn the ignition off and back on again, you'll find that your warning light would have gone out. Thanks ever so much for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.